Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. As you know, creating videos the traditional way can be tedious and time-consuming. But with AI, it's very simple and quick. You can produce multiple videos of your choice by only giving text. Are you ready to understand the secrets of creating a compelling video using AI tools? You've come to the correct spot. Today, I'll walk you through the entire procedure, step by step. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, we'll explore how Lumen 5 can help you present complex information in a visually appealing way. Write Lumen 5 on your browser. Remember, if you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest AI tools related. But wait, there's more. We have a secret surprise waiting for you at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until the very end. To begin, sign up with your mail and then go through with these dialog boxes. Now that you have Lumen 5, you'll see different options to generate video. We'll explore the first one, text on media. So now here you have to outline the idea of your video. You can write it on your notepad from where you can copy easily and paste there. Also, you have to add 3 references for your video. More than that, you have the option to give some additional requirements. Click on Continue. Look how interesting this video is. The images, the quotes, truly best one. You can even edit it according to your choice. You can add the background music, change format, style, and all. Let's preview it. How authentic and engaging this video is. You can download it. See how useful this app is. Secondly, we'll explore Canva. It can also create great-looking video by just giving text. Let's explore how. See here you have Magic Studio, under which there is the option of apps. Click right there. Here you can search text to video. You can download it for your PC or may open in browser, but I have app, so I am using this. It gives you many options. Let's start with Synthesis AI. Here in the prompt box, you have to just give your prompt and it easily generate your video. From the notepad, I copy my prompt and paste there. Now click on Generate. As I have to create motivational videos, so I am going to generate 3 clips in which I write 3 quotes. See, it is generated. Generate 2 more. After your scene's generated, you can edit it by adding the text on them, changing colors, effects, and many more. I'm going to show you how to edit the scene. One others you can create by your oneself. Canva also offers educational content and tutorials to help users improve their design skills. Their blog and community forums are great places to find inspiration and tips. Whether you're designing for personal projects, business needs, or social media, Canva provides a powerful set of tools to create visually appealing and professional-looking content. See, here it is completed. We now go to Share option, from where we can easily download our video and preview it from our downloads. Look at this video, the all 3 clips casting the motivation. All 3 quotes written on them, how catchy and engaging it is. Here it is. Look how engaging it is, and within minutes, you just create it. Now the time of secret tip in Canva. You have 37 free credentials in Synthesis AI. And just for free, it's amazing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.